Hello बच्चों. So in this problem we have to find charge on capacitors in steady state. So this is a circuit and we have been given two capacitors of 4 microfarad and 2 microfarad. So in steady state the charge on the capacitor becomes constant. So charge on these capacitors are not changing. So the current in these branches will be zero. There will be no current, zero current through the branches which contain capacitors. Now to find the charge on this capacitor, we need to determine the potential difference across the capacitor. So to solve this problem, we can assume that potential of all these points is 0 and potential of all these points are x. So let us see how we can approach this problem. So we assume 0 potential at all these points and potential x at all these points. Now the battery has voltage 10, so here potential will be 10 volt. So now we can find the current. So current through this branch will be 5 ampere, 10 by 2. The potential difference is 10, resistance is 2. And here potential difference will be 10 minus 5 minus x. So यहाँ पे potential difference निकालने हैं तो resistance 2 है. So in this branch current will be 5 minus x by 2. Similarly here current will be x by 4 and here also current will be x by 4. So इस पॉइंट पे अगर हम देखें तो ये दोनों करंट ऐड अप हो जाएंगे. सो करंट विल बिकम x by 4 plus 5. So this current will flow through this branch. So in this branch current will be x by 4 plus 5. So here at point O the incoming current is x by 4 and x by 4 plus 5 from this direction. So if we look up at the current in this branch AB, so these two current will get add up to give the current in this branch, and the same current gets divided into these two currents. So basically adding up these two currents will be equal to these two currents. So इन दोनों करंट का हम सम कर लें तो वही करंट इस ब्रांच में होगा, और इन दोनों का जो सम कर लें तो ये इस ब्रांच का करंट देगा, क्योंकि यही करंट इन दो करंट में डिवाइड हो रहा है. सो इनको ऐड कर लें तो x by 4 plus 5 will be equal to 5 minus x by 2 plus 5. So basically we have applied KCL here. KCL अप्लाई किया हमने, क्योंकि जो इनकमिंग करंट होगा वही यहाँ से आउटगोइंग करंट होगा, और ये जो करंट है ये इस पॉइंट के लिए इनकमिंग करंट है. सो दिस विल बी इक्वल टू द सम ऑफ दीज टू करंट्स. सो इनको इक्वेट कर लें. सो फ्रॉम हियर वी कैन गेट x इक्वल टू 2.5. So if x is 2.5, so potential difference across this will be 2.5, and across this capacitor also potential difference will be 2.5 volt. So charge is given by capacitance into potential difference. So by solving we get Q1 equal to 10 microcoulomb and Q2 as 5 microcoulomb. So this is the charge on the capacitors. Thank you.